live 2 miles from the beach, and this is what my life looks like right now. This is our journey. Welcome to the Betancourts homestead. Well, people, it is February 24th. Yesterday at 7:02 we lost power because we had a freak snowstorm out here on the coast. I live 2 miles from the beach, and this is what my life looks like right now. It is fun. No, really, it is cold. Pretty sure we lost the lemon tree, and everything, the ice is 2/3 melted. And hi kitty, hi Charlie. And we have all the kitties out here. So 31 hours with no power, and we're doing really good. We were both commenting about how all the things that we had drilled and practiced are just like second nature to us now. So we cycle a generator and for an hour every 4 to 5 hours. The freezers are perfect. The refrigerator is perfect. House is slightly cold. That's okay. When we cycle the generator, we make sure we turn the heater in the room. The bedroom was so warm last night from being under the duvet cover. We bought a duvet cover that is rated for very cold weather. And we climbed underneath that thing, and we were both sweating through the middle of the night. I have cats that want attention. So yesterday we had red bean and rum soup with some toasted bread. My husband looked at me and he's like, "How'd you toast bread?" And I'm like, "Sweetie, I used to camp when I was a kid. I learned some tricks." And then today we had meatball subs. And those are all just from, things that I've prepared ahead of time on hand. So it's going really great out here. It's just slightly chilly. And I'm sad for my plants. It is very bright. I'm gonna need sunglasses. It's like really bright. Talk to you guys later. How is everybody else out there? It is day 3 of no power, and today we may be getting power. It's been about 50 hours with no power. We're doing great, but we just saw this. When we looked out the window, that's the transformer. That's where we heard the big loud bang come from, and it looks like they're fixing it. I don't know about you, but I'm opening up all of the windows, all of the doors, all the curtains, turning the heater on, and when the house gets warm, I'm taking a shower after I jump on the treadmill. I have not been on the treadmill in 3 days. But don't get me wrong, I am not complaining, because this was actually a fun adventure, and I learned even more. So stay tuned for all of those things that I learned. I'll be going through them. We were making a list. You would know we would make a list. Yeah, we made a list. Everybody. It's early. Why am I up? Oh, because look, apparently it has decided to snow again. We already have an inch. Yes, I do live at the beach. This is insane. This time I have the laundry going and I have the heaters on. I am not messing around this time. Last time it was darn cold, so I'm at least going to have a head start. Yes. Guys, have a great day out there.